Children, back to our science class. We all completed lesson 5 nervous system now. I hope every one of you understood well. Okay, today we are moving to the next lesson. That is safety first now. Look at this one. Before going to the lesson, today I am going to describe about this picture. Look at this picture. Imagine what happened here. Yes, this boy met an accident. This boy met an accident. Okay, what happened to this boy after this accident? He is unable to get up from the road. Yes or no? So, let me know first what is an accident. What is accident? What is an accident? An accident is an unfortunate incident that happened unexpectedly. An accident is an unfortunate incident. Okay, anyone can expect the accident? No. Unfortunate incident that happened unexpectedly, suddenly. That happened suddenly. An unfortunate incident that happened unexpectedly is called an accident. Why do we meet the accidents? Why do we meet the accident? Because of our carelessness, and when we are hurry, we met the accidents. What is the cause for accident? The reason for accident is our carelessness. The reason for accident is our carelessness and our hurry. Okay. Accident. So, can we prevent the accidents? Accidents can be prevented or not? Yes, accident can be prevented if we are careful. Accidents can be prevented if we are careful. We need to remember some rules all the time. Accidents can be prevented if we are careful. If we are careless, definitely we met the accident. If we are careful, we can avoid the accidents. So, to avoid accidents, we need to remember some rules. We need to follow some rules. They are called safety rules. The rules which help us to avoid accidents are called safety rules. These rules help us to take care of ourselves and others too also. Safety rules will help us to take care of ourselves and others too. Okay? When we are careless and hurry, definitely we met an accident. So, to avoid accidents, to prevent accidents, always we must be very careful and we should follow some safety rules. Let me know where can we meet the accident? Tell me some places where can we meet the accident. Accidents may occur in your home, in the school, on the road, in the park, in the playground. Yes or no? Yes, in all these places. There is a chance to meet accident in all these places. Today I am going to explain you about accidents which can occur at our home. Okay? When you are playing with sharp objects, what happened? It may hurt your body or not. When you are playing with matchsticks, will you meet an accident or not? Yes, playing with matchsticks, flying a kite, and using sharp objects. And one more thing, when we are using electrical wires carelessly, then also there is a chance to meet an accident. Okay, what to do to avoid accidents? We should follow some safety rules at home. There is a chance to get met an accident in all the places, especially at school, at home, in playground. Yes or no? So to avoid this, we must follow safety rules. Safety rules what we have to follow at home. Think once. We should be careful while using sharp objects or not? Yes. Be careful while using sharp objects such as scissors, knives and blades. Yes or no? Here see this boy. This boy is leaving all his item here and there in his room. Yes or no? What happened if you leave after playing, after writing, if you leave your books or if you leave your toys on the floor? What happened? There is a chance to slip. Yes or no? There is a chance to slip. If you may get hurt. If you fall down means you may get hurt. So do not leave your toys, books, bags, shoes and other things on the floor. Like this boy should not leave all your things on the floor. You may trip over them and fall. Okay, look at this boy. Where he is flying the kite? He is flying his kite on the terrace. Is it safe? Where is he? He is at the edge. Yes or no? So, should not fly a kite on the terrace. Nana. Do not play with sharp objects. Do not play with matchsticks. Do not leave your things here and there on the room, and should not touch the electrical wires with wet hands. Wet hands. With wet hands, you should not touch the electrical wires. Why we should not touch the electrical wires with wet hands? Okay, if you touch them, you may get an electric shock. Why? Because electricity can pass through our body. That is why you may get an electric shock if you touch them with wet hands. Whenever you are using electrical appliances means you should be very careful. You should be very careful. Look at here. Okay, so many people are trying to help this boy. Yes or no? So to avoid this accident means we should be very careful and we should follow some norms, some rules. To avoid accidents, compulsory as a human being, we should follow some rules. They are called safety rules. Now we are discussing about safety rules which we have to follow at our home. Do not play with sharp objects. Do not lit the matchsticks. Do not touch the electric wires or electrical appliances with wet hands. And do not fly kites over the terrace. And do not leave your belongings here and there in your home. And one more thing, whenever you are in the kitchen means should not wear the synthetic cloths. They are not advisable. They can easily catch the fire. So try to wear cotton cloths whenever you entered into the kitchen. Okay.